Digital detox. Regularly disconnect from your mobile phone to recharge your mind. Engage in activities that don't involve screens to foster creativity and mental clarity. Quality time. Prioritize meaningful face-to-face interactions. Spend time with loved ones, engage in hobbies, and create memories beyond the virtual world. Mindful usage. Practice mindful mobile phone usage. Set limits. Silence notifications, and allocate specific times for checking messages to regain control over your time. Cultivate genuine connections. Invest in building and nurturing authentic relationships. Connect with people on a deeper level and create lasting bonds. Self-care rituals. Dedicate time to self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, and spending time outdoors to enhance your mental and physical well-being. Digital boundaries. Set clear boundaries for mobile phone use in specific situations, such as during meals, family time, or before bedtime. Focus on offline activities. Engage in hobbies, reading, art, or sports that provide a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment beyond the digital realm. Personal growth. Use mobile phones as tools for personal growth. Access educational apps, podcasts, and resources that empower you to learn and improve. Cybersecurity awareness. To educate yourself about online privacy and security. Take steps to protect your personal information and stay vigilant against cyber threats. Balance perspective. Remember that mobile phones are tools designed to enhance our lives, not define them. Maintain a balanced perspective and prioritize real-world experiences. Adaptability. Embrace change and adapt to new technologies. Use mobile phones as tools to enhance your efficiency, creativity, and connectivity. Tech-free zones. Designate certain areas or times as tech-free zones. Disconnecting from your mobile phone in specific contexts can lead to increased presence and enjoyment.